Okay, so here it is, my 1980 Cutlass Supreme Brome Edition. Originally was a diesel car, 350 Olds diesel. Pretty clean. There it is, diesel. Just picked this up today. From Brian from Classic Gbody Garage. Super awesome guy. Has quite a collection of cool cars, but I picked this up. It's super clean. It's repainted once from the original, but pretty much the same color. Super nice doors. Super clean. Interior needs some love. It's a West Coast car, so it's got some faded a little bit, but yeah, it's got the diesel fuel only. Yeah, I got the 8-track, so that's cool. Interiors, it's gonna need some work. I mean, 40-year-old stuff, what do you expect? But of course, Classic needs a headliner. But yeah, the pillow top from the Brome upgrade. Power windows, power locks. Top splitting a little bit, but again, 40 years old, so super clean. Let's squeeze over here. Super nice. Now with the diesel cars, I'm not sure if all of them did or not, but this actually is a aluminum hood, which is pretty neat. Just took this through the power wash everything off real good, but you can see the extra, that padding material, that paper on the firewall, that was actually extra sound and heat protection that was on the diesel. Got the metric 200 transmission, which I'm probably not going to use that, but no, like I said, it's, I mean, super nice condition. It's not perfect, but it's a really nice car. A lot better off than my Regal that I had. Super nice condition. I'm not used to working with stuff that's this clean. Let me see if I can get underneath it here. That's still wet from me washing it and everything underneath it. I mean, super nice. Not a speck of rust on it. Floors are super nice. Still has the exhaust in there, but it's still dripping wet. But I mean, it's got a couple of dents in it, so if you can kind of see there, but I mean, super nice. It needs like a good cut and buff for the paint, but yeah, that's where stick that LS with that intake and supercharger and put it in here. Hopefully by next spring and summer, get rid of this, put the firewall plate, block off plate on there. But yeah, that's the aluminum hood, which is kind of neat. this is still steel. I believe on some diesels, I'm not too sure as if there was, they made these in aluminum also, but I might get a tubular radiator support stuff, be a lot lighter too. But yeah, this is just kind of a quick overview of the car. But like I said, it's not perfect, but it's really nice. Super stoked. I mean, the bottom of the doors are meant to, I mean, they're just dirty, so from sitting and stuff, but I mean, no rust at all. It shuts so smooth. I love it. I got some work to do here, but overall, I mean, it's really nice condition. I looked out, and with Brian from Classic Gbody Garage, he hooked me up big time with this. So if he's watching stuff, thank you very much for this. I'm gonna really enjoy fixing this thing up and running it. But yeah, it is just super clean. Does need a windshield, but I just really think this is super awesome. Back seats actually look in really good condition, like they're hardly even used. Let's see what's in the glove box. Check that out yet. Whoa, super old calculator. That's funny. Do we have oh, this is a owner's manual. No way. Wow. Huh. I don't think I've ever had an owner's manual for any of my Gbody cars before. That's cool. Yeah. And you hooked up with a sticker too. Cool. Put that in the toolbox. That's awesome. I wonder if that works. To find some 8-tracks off of eBay or something. I know there's a company out there that actually makes a conversion for this, that you can actually not have to hack this faceplate up, and it's all digital, and it has Bluetooth and like USB and everything in it, stuff for like I think $260 or something, but that'd be cool. Even has a cigarette lighter. Wow. This is way nicer than what I'm used to working with. The steering column is super tight. But yeah, this is pretty sweet. Is it? I don't know if you can see that or not. Here we go. 89,000 on the clock. Let me see if I can maybe get to the keys here. I hooked up with a sweet keychain too. check out the trunk lid, how clean it is. It's like mint. No rust. Life is good. Super clean. My torque converter's in there, but I mean, there's no rust at all. Don't ask me about the carpet. Brian and I were guessing that it was probably from the original owner, but it's something funky, but it's all super nice. I mean, usually the rust out here is from leaves and stuff gathering here and just decomposing away. Some of the filler here and stuff is still good condition. It just looks like from sitting outside, just some of the paint peeled off, but that's no big deal. That's the only spot really that needs touched up, but other than that stuff, I mean, I'm gonna rock it the way it is pretty much, other than doing the front suspension, because I'm pretty sure, if I had to guess, all that's and steering components, all that stuff is all probably factory, but yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up here and make some more videos. So please stay tuned, like, subscribe, get notifications, hit the bell, so when I do make new videos on this thing, that you'll be notified. Yeah, so that's just kind of a, I guess, 12-minute tour now, but yeah, super clean, super awesome.